Today you will learn about angels and their realms, how you can apply their powers in your life. Have you ever had the feeling at certain moments in your life that someone was observing you?
If yes,
then I'm feeling glad to tell you that these are the moments when, without really knowing it, we are aware about the presence of the angels, and such moments we begin to create a film in which we are the main character and sure that we are being watched by the angels present in the environment, sometimes in form of cosmic vibrations and sometimes divine powers. Greetings all of you, myself Daljit Virk. I'm working in the field of occult sciences and human psychology. Today you will learn about angels and their realms, how you can apply their powers in your life. Intuitively, we know that angels are very special right from our childhood. Right from the time glowed with pride when we called an angel. Angels have appeared in all literatures, in all religions, in the myriad hierarchy, and they are called messengers, or sometimes they called also sons and daughters of the Almighty. In my experience, they are shining ones, or natural spirits who help you whenever you want. We experience their presence and their love through spiritual guides, through rituals, through religions, or even directly. Their constant endeavor is to strengthen us and encourage us to know that those above us desire to lift us to higher realms of experience. Angels have appeared in all from the time angels are intelligent beings, capable of feelings, yet different species who have their existence on slightly finer vibrational frequencies, from the one to which our physical senses are tuned. This means we can't perceive them ordinarily with our eyes or ears, but they can perceive us. Our realities interpenetrate one another with their realities, encompassing and enfolding us. If you ask for assistance in any area of your life, the appropriate angel will immediately shine a light in the direction where you want help. To enhancing your spiritual understandings and emotional clarity, angels will always there. The word angel is a generic name for the collective group of beings, or we can say the citizens of inner space. Some people believe that angels are the thought of God, while others hold that they are the creation of Divine Mother Spirit. A relatively small number of the vast multitude is immediately concerned with the humanity and our planet. Among these are our closest companions, are our guardian angels, and also the millions of angels who tend our planetary reality. Our research has made it clear to us that there are angels who watch over virtually every aspect of human activity. Angels see yourself is true essence we are, free of hang-ups and judgments and the ego hustles we humans are so riddled with. They can also see the steps we need to take in times ahead and are capable of connecting us more quickly to our divine origins. All we need is to open our heart and extend our hands to them, and we can fly on the wings of angels. Angels are those souls who from the beginning of creation never lost contact with God, never had physical lives, and seek only the fulfillment of the will of God. Angels can vary in form depending on the needs and expectations of those requesting for help. They may appear either male or female, but are neither. They are androgynous. They are beings of light energy. They will manifest themselves in the way we wish to see them. So in the next video, I will teach you to connect with angels and get benefited. Be blessed. Thank you.